Ain't no name on that bitch. Where we at? Yeah. I was gonna say, man. Yeah. Oh, straight.
Go to Marcus.
What do you have to work?
Need you to get a hold of that. You gotta beat the ball.
Don't listen to me back there. I'm just gonna hate, you know. I hope you got that.
Y'all stop talking to her.
You're gonna guarantee it.
Yeah, make sure you hit it hard.
Can y'all stop talking to her so she can focus?
What I tell you, guarantee you won't get the ball.
I want to see that shit. That's what we trying to see. That's what we want to see. The winner is me. Of course it is. Hey, man, let's get out of here.
This shit is empty as fuck.
Nigga, if you don't flick that goddamn not big.
Look.
I seen the couple flames. You just using the last of my shit. Look more. And with that, we have our video. As you can see, we at the house and it's dark as fuck. So I had to turn the flash on. Let me know how y'all felt about this video. I almost ran to a plant. Let me know how y'all felt about this video. If y'all liked it, y'all enjoyed it. You know what I'm saying? It was I think like 3 days, maybe 2 days. You know what I'm saying? And in this one video, and you know, I'm thinking about basically coming back to YouTube. So, you know, let me know if you fucking with it or not. 'Cause if you ain't fucking with it, I might not come back. Or I might still come back just because it's something I want to do. Let me know. Peace.